If Steam is showing error 101, that usually means the Steam client is hitting a connection timeout and can't properly reach the server. The good news is that this is often a quick fix, and in this video, I'll walk you through it step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick PC fixes and gaming tutorials. First, we need to fully exit Steam. Don't just minimize it and don't leave it running in the background. Right-click Steam in the system tray if you see it, then choose Exit. If needed, open Task Manager and make sure Steam is completely closed before moving on. Once Steam is fully shut down, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the box, type %localappdata% and then press Enter. This will open your local AppData folder, which is where Steam stores some cached files that can sometimes cause connection issues. Inside this folder, look for the Steam folder and open it. Then find the folder called Htmlcache. Open Htmlcache and delete everything inside that folder. You do not need to delete the Steam folder itself, just the contents inside Htmlcache. This step clears out potentially corrupted web and connection cache data that may be causing the error. After deleting those files, close the folder window and relaunch Steam. Give it a moment to load and check whether the error is gone. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix Steam error 101 and get you back online. Now, if you're using a gaming laptop and you have Killer Control Center installed, there is one more important setting to check. Open Killer Control Center, go to the network or streaming settings, and look for Advanced Stream Detect. If that option is turned on, switch it to off. On some systems, this feature can interfere with Steam's connection and trigger timeout errors like error 101. After turning it off, restart Steam again and test the connection one more time. If Steam opens normally, you're all set. If the issue still continues, you may want to restart your PC and check your internet connection. But in most cases, clearing the HTML cache and disabling Advanced Stream Detect solves the problem. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.